Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing you 4 best free VPNs for Windows right now. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, finding a free Windows VPN that won't completely tank your speeds or compromise your security can be tough, but there are 4 generally safe options for your PC or laptop as of right now. So let's start with the very first one, which is Proton VPN. Now, Proton VPN here stands out because it gives you completely unlimited data with absolutely no ads. Now, it operates out of Switzerland here with a strict no logs policy to keep your traffic completely hidden from third parties. Now, just keep in mind the free tier limitation, so you only get a handful of server locations. Now, you can't choose your exact server manually here, and the speeds will vary when the network gets crowded. But it's still free internet or free VPN here. So in this case, you're getting still the best out of everything. So next is we have what we call WinScribe. Now, which strikes an awesome balance between performance and features. Now, you get a 2 GB of monthly data out of the box, but verifying your email instantly bumps that up to a solid 10 GB. So unlike most free options, it actually gives you access to multiple country locations for better flexibility. Now, it also includes a built-in ad and tracker blocker called Robert, which acts like a mini digital bodyguard. Now, the only downside here is that heavy internet users might actually run out of data quite quickly here. Now, next is we have Hotspot Shield. Now, which is perfect if you just want a quick zero-fuss solution. Now, the easiest move is to download it directly from Microsoft Store, bypass the pop-up offering like 7 days premium trial here, and select the basic plan. Now, it gives you a 500 MB of data every single day, adding up to like 15 GB a month, which is quite huge. Now, you can manually pick your country. It pretty much defaults to US servers here, which is kind of cool, but it connects instantly with a single click, which is a direct way of using the actual app. And finally, we have what we call Hide.me. Now, this one is a great choice for everything tasks like checking your emails or certain security or securing your emails here or staying protected on sketchy public Wi-Fi. That hands you a flat 10 GB of data every month and relies on robust modern encryption protocols like WireGuard and OpenVPN. Now, the trade-offs are pretty standard here. You can only connect one device at a time, so server locations are limited as well, and your speeds might dip during peak server loads. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.